Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your account and confirming the fingerprint profile is already enrolled. This prevents duplicate entries and errors. Once done, mount the time recorder on a stable surface and inspect the sensor. Wipe away oil or moisture so the reader gets a clear image. Next, present your finger flat and centered. Press gently and hold for 2 to 3 seconds until you hear the confirmation beep or see the LED. This first scan links your action to a timestamp immediately. You now proceed to clock in. Select the correct mode, clock in, clock out, break, or a task code on the screen to route the record properly. If the recorder asks, enter your PIN or a job code, this cross-checks identity and links the punch to the right cost center. Make sure to confirm the on-screen timestamp before you step away. For consistent results, use the same enrolled finger every time. Consistency reduces false rejects and keeps payroll clean. You finish by confirming the on-screen entry and then check the central log or mobile app. Most systems sync within 1 to 2 minutes so you can verify the punch. If a scan fails, retry the same finger up to 3 times, then switch only to an enrolled alternate finger. Avoid random fingers because that creates duplicate profiles. If problems persist, request an admin override or re-enrollment and document the issue for payroll. This prevents missed hours and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.